Hello everyone, you are welcome to I Plus Academy. My name is Olanipekun Oluwagbenga and I'll be taking you through another dimension in solving logarithm. A question can come in this form where you'll be given log of different values. Like in this question, we are given log 2 to base 10, log 3 to base 10, log 5 to base 10, and log 7 to base 10. Don't forget what we have done previously, that anytime the basis was not given, know that what is in base 10. Anytime the basis has not been given, is in base 10. And evaluate these without tables or calculators. Remember that log of base 10 can be found in calculator or your four-figure table. But this question is asking us to evaluate log 12 without checking your calculator nor your four-figure table. Now, how do we move from there? We have done so many calculations on logarithm, and here I want to put you through on this. Now, to start with, the first thing you look at is to know how to split each values of the question down to suit the things we are given from the question. Now, the first one we have is log 12. Let's get started. Log 12. And look at that log 12 to base 10. Now, what do we do to solve log 12 to base 10? If I break log 12 down, what would that be giving me? That would be log 4 times 3, right? And that is to base 10. I can therefore split log 4 down. Remember that anytime I have times and I want to split it down, that will be equal to what? Very good. Log 4 to base 10, because I have times, plus log 3 to base 10. I'm putting that base 10 so that you can see it at a glance that we have what we are doing. But from the question, log 4 was not given, meaning I have to still split down log 4 down. And log 4 becomes what? It's the same thing as saying log 2 to power of 2 to base 10 plus log 3 to base 10. From the laws of logarithm that we have dealt with, you will notice that I have 3 steps in log 2 raised to power 2 to base 10. And I told you that anytime you have that, the last one will surely come down. So we have log 2 log 2 to base 10 plus log 3 to base 10. I will encourage you to write the question so that you'll not be going back when you are watching the video. I'll give you time to quickly copy this. Very good. So log 2 has been given to be 0.03. So this thing will now be giving us as 2 brackets 0.3010 plus log 3 is what? From the question is 0.4771. You can now therefore simplify this further. 0.602 plus 0.4771. And the answer will now be 1.0791. And that is log 12. Now, what does question B say? Question B says we should evaluate log 42. Now, start thinking of what do you think? Start thinking of the two numbers we are going to use for 42. Very good. That will give us log 7 times 6, right? Log 7 times 6 to base 10. And this will be log 7 to base 10. Remember, if you have times, that becomes plus log 6 to base 10. Very good. And if I do this further, I have log 7 already, but there is no log 6. So our problem is log 6. So log 7 will be written log 7 base 10 plus log 6 is same as saying what? Log 2 times 3. Very good, to base 10. I can therefore now have it as log 7 to base 10 plus log 2 to base 10. Because of times now, I have plus log 3 to base 10. Very good. Now, let's insert the values we are given. From our question, log 7 was given as 0.8451. Log 2 was given at 0.3010. And log 3 was given as 0.4771. Such that if you add them together, that will now be 1.6232, and that will be the answer for log 42. You can confirm that with your calculator. Now the last one, question says you calculate log 0.72. Good. 0.72. Remember, is in base 10. Now you are going to look for two numbers such that it will give you 0.72. What do you think those two numbers will be? If I write this 72 over 100, I've not changed anything. I've only converted decimal to fraction. And remember, if I have division in logarithm, what do you think that will be? That becomes log 72 to base 10 minus log 100 to base 10. Now we are going to split 72 and 100 down to different stuff. So that log 72 will be what? What do you think will be the two numbers there? Good. 9 times 8. And therefore we can use 10 raised power 2 to base 10 for this. Is that okay? So we can now be having this. We can split this down. That becomes what now? Log 9 to base 10 plus, because I have times in between them, log 8 to base 10 negative. Remember, 2 will come down. Look at that law. Dealt with that law also. To base 10. Good. So what do we have in essence now? I can break 9 down to what? 3 raised power 2 to base 10. Remember? I can break 8 down to what? 2 raised power 3 to base 10. Remember? And I still have what? Log 10 to base 10. Remember that is 1. And this one becomes 2. So I can now quickly to have what? It's not going to be 2 will come down. So we have 2 log 3 to base 10 plus 3 will come down. Log 2 to base 10 negative 2. So what do we have now? You have having 2 bracket. What is log 3 from our question? 0.3010. Good. Plus 3. What is log 2? 0. Log 3 was 0.4770. That was a mistake from here. 0.4771. And log 2 is 3010. Good. Minus 2. And if you multiply very well, you will be getting, if you multiply this, you get 0.9542 plus 0.903 minus 2. And that will now give us 1.8572 minus 2. So log of decimals are usually negative. So our final answer would now be negative 0.1428. And we have come to the end of this. If you are new on this channel, I would like you to press the notification bell, subscribe, so that you can be notified anytime we post a new video such as this. Thank you for listening. See you in our next video. Thank you.